Chandler sold me out.
Dad, you completely sold me out.
Damn it, Eugene, you sold me out.
You sold me out, you fag.
He sold me out.
No, you sold Steve out.
You sold me out?
You screwed me. You sold me out.
You sold me out?
You sold me out to Kate.
You sold me out to Mom.
You sold me out, son.
You sold me out as much as...
You sold me out.
You sold me out. No, stop whining.
Now stop whining.
Stop whining.
Stop whining.
Oh, stop whining.
Oh, stop whining.
Stop whining and write.
Stop whining.
Stop whining.
Stop whining.
Stop whining.
Stop whining. You didn't.
I'm not whining.
Stop your whining harder.
What?
Stop whining.
Smoking hot. Don't mock me. Don't mock me.
Don't mock me, Dave.
Mock me, Ross. It's been...
Don't mock me, Spirit.
Don't mock me. Don't mock me.
Don't mock me. I don't appreciate it.
Don't mock this.
Don't mock me, little girl. Please don't mock me.
Please don't mock me.
Ow. Don't mock me.
Just think positively.
Okay, Stewie, think positive.
Think positive thoughts.
Think positive.
Think positive, Harry.
Think positive, kid. Just keep thinking positive.
Positive? No glitch.
Think positive, Robin.
Think positive, think positive.
Think positive.
You betray me.
Betrayed me.
You betrayed me.
You betrayed me. You betrayed me. You betrayed me.
You betrayed me.
You betrayed me.
You betrayed me.
You betrayed me.
You betrayed me.
You betrayed me.
You betrayed me.
You betrayed me.
You betray me. 𝗦𝗵𝗿𝗀𝗆𝗆
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say what we can